What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Cullen Turner Elementary School YouTube channel, focusing on multiplication. So today's lesson is going to build on what we did in the previous lesson, lesson 7. We were working through answering a word problem through multiplication. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to build our own word problem whenever the equation is given. So if you look behind me on the wall, we're going to make a multiplication word problem. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the example. And right there it says 3 times 2. 3 times 2. So then box 2 is we're going to come up with what we want to say. So if you notice, they write in 3 bikes to represent the 3 groups. And then each has 2 wheels. It represents this 2. Okay, so we have to keep the numbers the same, but we can put whatever categories we want with them. And then it says how many wheels are there in all. All right, so you're going to write the word problem, and then you're actually going to solve it. Show your figure means you are skip counting to find the answer. Cool. So let's do one together, and then I will allow you to do one. So number 1 is for us, and then number 2 is going to be your exit ticket. So they give us the problem, and it is 2 times 6. We know that 2 is the number of groups, and then we know 6 is the size. I'm just going to put size really big because it's the size of the group. Number of groups, size of groups. Okay, so now we need to think in our mind, what are there 2 of 6? So the word problem is there are blank. Well, I know it's going to be 2, so I'm going to use 2 in green. Actually, I'm going to use 2 in green up here. That might be easier to track for parents and for students. 2 times 6. So we need 2 what? 2 of something. And then each has blank. 6. So 6 of something. So the size of the group has to be 6. The number of groups is 2. Hopefully you're thinking in your mind of something you could use. Right? How many blank are there in all? So this is what we have. We have 2 and 6. What? It has 2 groups and then 6. Babe, oh, my wife just walked in. What is 2 of 6 of something? So think of, that's terrible. Think of something, 2 of something, and each of them have 6. A spider, awesome. Or a bug. All right, we'll say a bug. Great. Those bugs have 6 legs. And so 2 bugs have 6 legs. Awesome job. So 2 bugs, and then each of them have 6 legs. So then right here, we're going to put how many legs are there in all. So then the work that we should be doing in this figure section down here at the bottom is we are solving this problem. So we have the equation. We already know this is the equation, but we are going to skip count to find it. We are skip counting by what? By sixes. By sixes. Okay? So we're going to go 6, and then we're going to add 6 more, 12. So we know that the answer is 12. So you all have the task of doing this second one. So a little bit of a shorter lesson, but we're building on what we did before. You have 5, let me pull it over so you can see it, 5 times 4. And maybe use one of your prior answers whenever we did the groups of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You could pull some of those to see, what is a groups of 5 or 4 that would help you here. All right, so fill this out, these 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3, and then I would love for you to text me. Oh, sorry, let me hold it like this so you can see. So then text me your work. Once again, the page number for that is page 22. The exit ticket for you guys is number 2, 5 times 4. And it says there are blank. Each has blank. How many are there in all? Just like we did here. See you all next time.